Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to block someone on Duolingo. If you want to prevent a user from communicating with you, follow these simple steps to quickly block them. Start by launching the Duolingo app on your smart device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary settings. By opening the Duolingo app on the homepage at the bottom of the screen, look for your profile and then click on it. Then on the next page, you can see under your profile picture a field for followers. People you follow and people who follow you. We will look for the following field and click on it. When a new page opens, look for the person you want in the drop-down menu and then click on it. By clicking on the person you want to block, a new page will open where you will also go down to the option Block User, which is located at the bottom of the screen, and click on it. The app will notify you that the person will no longer be able to follow you and view your profile. If you are, then click the block option. After confirming, the user will be blocked. They will no longer be able to follow you, interact with your progress, or send you messages if messaging is enabled. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone on Duolingo. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials on managing your Duolingo experience.